Algorand value equivalent to 3.7667 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.7081 3.8734. The earlier day close, 3.8275. The change was 0.0608, 1.59%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 3.92 rands, high 4.19, low 3.65. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 3.84 rands, high 4.11, low 3.57. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 3.59 rands, high 3.84, low 3.34. Algorand conjecture on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 3.70 rands, high 3.96, low 3.44. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost 3.55 rands, high 3.80, low 3.30. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 3.79 rands, high 4.06, low 3.52. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 5, cost 3.61 rands, high 3.86, low 3.36. Algorand conjecture on Thursday. April, 6, cost 3.76 rands, high 4.02, low 3.50. Algorand cost expectation on Friday. April, 7, cost 3.55 rands, high 3.80, low 3.30. In about 14 days Algorand conjecture on Monday. April, 10, cost 3.83 rands, high 4.10, low 3.56. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 11, cost 3.86 rands, high 4.13, low 3.59. Algorand estimate on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 3.54 rands, high 3.79, low 3.29. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday. April, 13, cost 3.71 rands, high 3.97, low 3.45. Algorand estimate on Friday. April, 14, cost 3.98 rands, high 4.26, low 3.70. In 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Monday. April, 17, cost 4.30 rands, high 4.60, low 4.00. Algorand estimate on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 4.23 rands, high 4.53, low 3.93. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 19, cost 4.26 rands, high 4.56, low 3.96. Algorand estimate on Thursday. April, 20, cost 3.97 rands, high 4.25, low 3.69. Algorand cost forecast on Friday. April, 21, cost 3.67 rands, high 3.93, low 3.41. In about a month Algorand estimate on Monday. April, 24, cost 3.57 rands, high 3.82, low 3.32. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 25, cost 3.61 rands, high 3.86, low 3.36. Algorand figure on Wednesday. April, 26, cost 3.59 rands, high 3.84, low 3.34. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for Walk 2023. Initially cost at 4.46 rands, excessive cost 4.69, while low cost 3.32. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.04. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.70, change for spring 17.0%. Algorand figure for April 2023. Initially cost at 3.70 rands, excessive cost 4.60, while low cost 3.15. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.76. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.58, change for April 3.2%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2023. Before all else cost at 3.58 rands, excessive cost 4.08, while low cost 3.54. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.75. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.81, change for May 6.4%. Algorand conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 3.81 rands, excessive cost 4.73, while low cost 3.81. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.19. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.42, change for June 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 4.42 rands, excessive cost 4.42, while low cost 3.45. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.00. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.71, change for July 16.1%. Algorand conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 3.71 rands. Excessive cost 3.71, while low cost 2.90. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.36. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.12, change for August 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 3.12 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.42, while low cost 2.98. The found the middle value of cost 3.18. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.20, change for September 2.6%. Algorand gauge for October 2023. To start with cost at 3.20 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.97, while low cost 3.20. The found the middle value of cost 3.52. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.71, change for October 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 3.71 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.71, while low cost 3.05. The found the middle value of cost 3.44. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.28, change for November 11.6%. Algorand gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 3.28 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.82, while low cost 3.28. The found the middle value of cost 3.49. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.57, change for December 8.8%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 3.57 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.57, while low cost 2.79. The found the middle value of cost 3.23. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.00, change for January 16.0%. Algorand estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 3.00 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.00, while low cost 2.34. The found the middle value of cost 2.72. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.52, change for February 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.52, while low cost 1.97. The found the middle value of cost 2.28. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.12, change for spring 15.9%. ZAR to ALGO conversion scale equivalent to 0.2655 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.2582 minus 0.2697. The earlier days nearby 0.2613. Change for now plus 0.0042 plus 1.61%. Ran to Algorand gauge on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 0.255 coins, high 0.274, low 0.239. ZAR to ALGO forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 0.260 coins, high 0.280, low 0.243. Ran to